My role is controlling and designing and facilitating what the audience will hear and experience. We used a lot of different music, and we actually did some recording with some singers from Bangor University. So we got them to record the original piece by Verdi, which is Dia Zero, which is very closely referenced in the script and the original text. So we used that as a real key into the sound world as we were building it from the start. So sort of in line with how we've developed the point of view camera language around following Faust is that this idea that headphones came in, and also slightly referenced by everything that we've experienced over lockdown and how we've been watching things and how we consume media now, I think, and things on the screens. I would definitely say that's if you can, that's probably the best way to experience it is on headphones.